Gain visibility into your factory's productivity, with a focus on each machine and operation. Once you enter the platform, navigate to Productivity option in Production Insights section. Toggle Sidebar to hide the menu. In the Overview panel you can find productivity informations for all machines. In the top right part of the screen you can set time range for data to be shown. Clicking on the All Shifts you can filter data based on the shifts created. More information about shifts, on how to create them and manage, you can find in the Getting Started with the Zerynth Platform Basic Settings Guide video. The first KPIs visible are the OEE and efficiency for all machines. Next are cycles, which shows good and bad cycles based on how much machines were working and how much they've been in alarm status. Here also you can see the average cycle time and average cycle energy cost. At this point it is important to set ideal cycle time in order to have best calculation for all cycle data. It is an AI functionality, Cycle Times Optimizer under Industrial AI Copilot section. You can find detailed video instructions on our Academy page. Below is shown OEE KPI for selected period of time. Next are cycles displayed for selected period of time. After that you can see cycles per operation and average cycle time per operation. In Machine section we can see filter view of all the data for each machine specifically. And clicking on the specific machine more detailed data will be shown. Access the Operation section. Here you can see all the data for each operation and also which and how many machines is used for each operation. In this guide, we have shown how production of the Zerynth Production Insights app works. Gain visibility into your factory's productivity, with a focus on each machine and operation.